Hey, all right, man. Thanks for tuning in. Got a club car here. I want to show you how to adjust the governor with a zip tie, and show you one simple way. First thing you want to do is you got these rivets here on the trunk access. You just pull on them. Pull that off. The first thing you want to do, this is a club car, tempo, or you onward, everything's the same. What you want to do first, I've already adjusted this one prior to the video. What you want to do here is make sure that when you take your fingers, you open this up, there's a little gap between this throttle stop and the throttle bracket. Because most of the time from the factory, they come adjusted where it don't get like 3/4 throttle. So make sure you got a little gap there, and that will allow you to get full pedal taking off, more power on the top side. Actually cause you more throttle. So when you take off, you'll have more power on takeoff. And you can see here, I got a zip tie here already. But let me get another one, I'll show you. Because that one there is done wrong. And before I cut it off, I'm gonna show you what's done wrong. You see how it's not around this last leg here? So when you hit the throttle, what it does is when you pull it, over time it stretches that last leg out there. Alright, what I'm gonna do, take it, just cut it off. And this is a club car tempo here, so it should run 28, 29 miles an hour once you put the zip tie on there. It's stock. It's pretty quick for a golf cart. But like and subscribe, man. All right, see, I just ran it through the top there. What I'm gonna do is run it down here as close to this as I can. That way, over time, it won't stretch that last leg out there. Let's pull your zip tie, just like that, man. And plain and simple. All right, man, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, man. I got a bunch of videos how to do this. Pretty simple, man. Anybody, if you have any mechanic ability, or hell, even Ray Charles could probably do this. It's pretty simple. Like I said, make sure you got your throttle open all the way. All right, 10. If you want to, what I'll do is break that nut loose with a 10mm wrench, and then just spin this out by hand. And once you allow it to where it goes all the way, and tighten it back down, that allows you full takeoff power. All right, and this here gives you your top end speed. What I always try to do, man, is go a little bit, and if you want faster, pull it some more. Because if you go too much, you'll hit the RPM limiter and cause the engine to surge on top end. If it does, just cut it and do it again, man. Cut the tie strap out and do it again. All right, man, thanks for watching, man.